It's not often that a client will turn around to an attorney who's questioning her at the time of pretrial questioning and screams and yells at the defense attorney. You want to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from the American Association of Justice here in Baltimore, Maryland, and I want to share this great information with you for just a few moments. So now, during a question and answer session known as a deposition, one time I'm sitting with my client, the defense attorney is asking my client questions, it's a wrongful death case, and now the attorney is being obnoxious. The attorney is pushing all of her buttons. The attorney is virtually making her cry, to the point where she turns around and starts screaming at the defense attorney. She starts yelling at the defense attorney. How dare you ask me these questions? How offensive these are. And she was so upset that this defense attorney turned around and started accusing her of doing something improperly because she brought a lawsuit trying to seek compensation for the injuries and harms that she suffered because her husband had died. It was unbelievable. Never in my career had I seen a client turn around and start screaming and yelling at the defense attorney. I will tell you that the whole point of this defense attorney doing this was to push my client's buttons. And you know what? He was very successful in doing that. But at the same time, the tables turned on him. You want to know why? Because he realized that he was barking up the wrong tree. He realized that no matter how offensive he could be and how often he pushed her buttons, she was going to be more sympathetic to a jury at the time of trial, and he quickly realized it the moment she had her outburst. That was a turning point in that particular case, and I think that's what ultimately helped us settle the case shortly after the deposition was finished. So it was a remarkable thing to see when the defense attorney kept pushing and pushing and pushing to the point where she finally broke down, started screaming and yelling at the defense attorney, and now it turned the entire case around. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what can happen during the course of pretrial litigation. I will tell you that does not happen very often. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.